Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been. Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island.
Hey guys, we have officially landed at LaGuardia Airport. We're in the bathroom. About to go to, what is it called? Baggage claim. Get our bags and then head to the hotel. Now I have looked it up. It's saying, let me see. Oh, that says we're ready now. So it's ranging about 70. I can wait 2 minutes.
Yeah, definitely.
Why not? Yeah. So no,
Yeah,
it's half of what I was thinking. You know, I was
nice.
thinking it was gonna be about 100 to 150 to get to the hotel. We're staying at the M Social in Times Square, so we're about to head there. We're gonna show y'all the room and just bring y'all along with us over the next few days. Make sure you tell my sister happy birthday down below in the comments. Yes, y'all, we are here. Let the games begin.
It's about time for making up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So I come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it like so nothing. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it like so nothing. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. It's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it like so nothing. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it like so nothing. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it like so nothing. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. It's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it like so nothing. Take you
Happy birthday to y'all. Look.
When he's finished, does he step back in the door?
I'm not no one cake, but I'm gonna do this. Me and my sister. First time New Yorkers. Alright, y'all. So sis is still hanging in. We still out here.
Yeah.